In the year 2150, Earth had advanced beyond imagination. Cities floated in the sky, cars flew, and technology was embedded in every aspect of human life. Despite these advancements, the essence of humanity, love, kindness, and understanding, was slowly fading. In this world lived two young scientists, Arjun and Priya, who were passionate about uncovering the secrets of the past to guide humanity's future. One day, while sifting through ancient texts in a forgotten library, Arjun stumbled upon a worn-out map that depicted the location of an ancient, lost city called Elysium. The legend stated that Elysium held the secret to boundless wisdom and eternal peace. Excited, Arjun rushed to Priya, his colleague and best friend, to share the discovery. "Priya, look at this. It's a map to Elysium, the lost city of wisdom. If we find it, we could change the world," Arjun exclaimed, his eyes sparkling with excitement. Priya, intrigued yet skeptical, examined the map. "Arjun, this could be a hoax, but if it's real, we owe it to humanity to find it." The next day, they embarked on their journey. They flew their advanced spacecraft, guided by the map, to the uncharted territories of the Arctic, where Elysium was supposedly hidden. As they neared the coordinates, their craft was caught in a violent storm, and they crash-landed on a snow-covered island. "Are you okay, Priya?" Arjun asked, helping her out of the wreckage. "I'm fine, just a bit shaken. But look, Arjun, the map indicates we're close." Priya pointed towards a shimmering light in the distance. They trudged through the snow, battling freezing winds, until they arrived at the source of the light. To their astonishment, it was a portal, pulsating with a mysterious energy. "This must be it, the gateway to Elysium," Arjun said, his voice trembling with a mix of fear and excitement. Holding hands, they stepped through the portal and found themselves in a breathtaking city of crystal structures and glowing flora. The air was warm, and a sense of peace enveloped them. As they wandered through the city, they encountered holographic guides who led them to the central chamber, where the city's wisdom was stored. "Welcome, seekers," a holographic figure greeted them. "I am Astra, the guardian of Elysium. You have proven your worth by enduring the trials to reach this place. Here, you will find the wisdom of the ancients." Arjun and Priya explored the chamber, where they found countless scrolls and crystals containing knowledge about love, compassion, and the importance of human connections. As they delved deeper, they discovered a prophecy that warned about the dangers of losing these values. "Arjun, this prophecy, it talks about our world," Priya said, her voice filled with urgency. "If we don't bring back this wisdom, humanity is doomed." Suddenly, the ground shook, and the chamber's walls started to crumble. "The city is collapsing. We need to get out of here," Arjun shouted. Clutching as many scrolls and crystals as they could, they ran towards the portal. But as they neared it, a massive crystal column fell, blocking their path. In that moment, Astra appeared again. "You must make a choice," Astra said solemnly. "You can escape with the knowledge you have, but the portal will close forever. Or, you can stay and absorb the wisdom directly, but you will remain in Elysium for eternity." Priya looked at Arjun, her eyes filled with determination. "Arjun, we have to stay. It's the only way to truly understand and save our world." Arjun hesitated, torn between his desire to return and his duty to humanity. Finally, he nodded. "You're right, Priya, let's do this." They sat in the center of the chamber, holding hands. As Astra activated the ancient wisdom, light enveloped them, and they felt an overwhelming sense of peace and understanding wash over them. Their minds expanded, filled with the knowledge and compassion of the ancients. Back on Earth, months passed without any word from Arjun and Priya. People began to fear the worst. But one day, a new energy wave spread across the planet, and every human felt a profound change. Acts of kindness increased, conflicts decreased, and a new era of peace and understanding began. Arjun and Priya had sacrificed their lives, but their legacy lived on. The wisdom of Elysium had been integrated into the very fabric of humanity, guiding them towards a brighter future. The tale of Arjun and Priya teaches us the importance of preserving and embracing the core values of humanity: love, compassion, and understanding. No matter how advanced we become, these values are the foundation of a peaceful and harmonious world. By prioritizing them, we can ensure a brighter future for all.